guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. If you're new, my name is Ashley and I'm so excited to have you today. Today I'm going to be sharing my top Amazon buys that I love and would repurchase again, or I get asked about all the time. So if you want to see what those are, then stay tuned. Okay, before I get started, I do want to mention none of this is sponsored. This is all my own opinion. This is just what I love buying. This is where I get the most questions from you guys. So I thought I would share this video so it's all like in one spot. I'm going to start off with my bed. I get that question a lot. My bed is from Amazon and I feel like they are so affordable on Amazon. Even if you don't like this style, definitely go on there and check before you go to like a big retail store. And what's nice is then it ships to your house. You don't have to pay for delivery. You don't have to find a truck to pick it up. Super affordable. I have mine linked. It's a king. But even if you don't like this style, definitely check out furniture on Amazon. I think people don't think to check there or think it'll be high because of shipping, but it is not, and it's great quality. So that's one thing I wanted to talk about. Another thing I wanted to talk about, this was actually my first paid like sponsored video, but I love this product. I use it all the time. It's a bug catcher and it's like a bug sucker, and I hate bugs and we get bugs where I live. Everybody gets bugs, but we're out like towards the country and so our bugs are just bigger and they scare me. So this thing is amazing. It does have a light on it. If you need it. I've never used this light, but it's right there if you need it, I guess, if you're catching bugs at night. But then I'm going to turn this on so you can hear it. So basically it's a mini vacuum and you just have to get this close to it, which is what's nice, is you don't even have to get that close to it and it sucks it up. And what I do is I just keep holding down that button until I get outside. Now you could probably stop. I don't know that it could get up this, but that's how scared I am. I just leave that running. I go outside, I twist this top off and just shake it out, and I save the day. So me and Savannah use this all the time. I love it. This is an awesome gift idea for any lady, girl, miss in your life. If you have college girls going off to school, anything like this, I just feel like this is an awesome tool to have. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but all of this will be linked in my Amazon store, so just click on that link down below. But love this guy. I can't say enough about that. Okay, another thing I love are my hangers. So I love these for all different reasons, and I'll share why. First off, if you have a lot of clothes and you don't want to get rid of them, some of you guys love your wardrobe and that's fine. These are so much more narrow, so you can fit more clothes in your closet, or if you have the same amount, it will give them more breathing room because normally they're a lot thicker. So I loved that idea about it. I just love matching hangers in general. Even if you don't get these, if you want to make your clothes look nice and your closet look organized without doing much, just switch out your hangers. The other thing I love about these is they're velvet, so clothes won't slip off. Jackets, dresses, tank tops, whatever it is. I don't know how many times I'd find stuff on the floor. They won't slide off, and they even have this little indent right there if you want to hook like a strap. But the third reason, and probably my most important reason, is this spins. So I don't know how many times I'm doing laundry and I hang it on the wrong way. You would have to take it out, put it back on. This spins. Or say I'm rearranging my closet, because you know I never do that, and I'm switching from one side to the other side. I can just flip it so the shirt's not backwards. I feel like that comes in handy. People never talk about that. Maybe that's me being lazy, but I love that feature. They do come in all sorts of colors. Like these come in like gold, black, rose gold. These come in all different colors. They come in different sizes, so if you want them for your kids. But I feel like this is a great investment. You'll have them forever. I bought one huge box of them and said, Chase, these are all we're using. So we're both gonna pare down. We're not buying anymore. And that's how I got mine, as I just picked a number on the box, and that's what worked for us. I love them. I love this buy. They last so well, so that's definitely one of my favorite Amazon buys. This would not be a favorites video, especially Amazon, if I didn't mention my slippers. So I love these guys. They come in all different colors. I have red and silver. I feel like this is another great gift if you're looking for something, especially stay-at-home moms. You never know what to buy them and you just want to treat them. There's something about, even if you stay in your jammies or you put on like a t-shirt and leggings and these on, and somebody comes to your front door, they're not even looking that you don't have your hair and makeup done because they're staring at your cute feet. So this is just a great find either for yourself or if you need a cute just gift idea. This with a card is just so sweet. So I love, love, love those. Another thing I pick up from Amazon are my wreaths, and you can see one back here behind me. I have 3 in my house. I feel like greenery adds so much to your house or to a room. It brings life, even though it's fake. I know, don't make fun of me, but it just adds so much, and it's so simple but bold. So like I said, I have these in 3 different areas in my house and I love them. I feel like you can put them anywhere and they look amazing, and yet it's simple. Now, when you're clicking on my link, be careful because there are different sizes, so be sure and like measure that out and get the size you want. But that's another find. This is my dish mat from my kitchen, and I always get a lot of comments on it because I'll like wash the dishes, put them on it, and then dry it, and then fold this and put it away, and you guys are like, does it mildew? Does it get dirty? No, like it stays perfect. I guess it just dries really quickly. I've even thrown it in the washer and the dryer and it's done great. I've had this many years. They have them in all different designs and colors, but of course I did the gray and white. But I have that linked to my store if you're just needing something like that. Another product I love are these glasses. And no, I don't wear prescription glasses, but I'm on the computer a lot. I edit and I do comments, and these like block the blue light. So like in the screen, you guys see blue, but from my side, I see more of like a yellow green color on my whites, and I just get headaches very, very easily. And these have really reduced that of my screen time just from either being on my phone or the computer. I leave these on my desk, so when I'm editing, I can just pop them on. These would be good for your work, just to leave at your desk if you're on the screen time there a lot. They do come in like different colors and shapes, but these were the ones I chose and I love them. So I'll just show you again kind of what they look like on. But yeah, that's them. And if you get headaches or just need help with that from like straining your eyes, I think this is really cool. Once again, that's a good gift idea. If you know somebody that works, or your husband or something like that, a boyfriend, a girlfriend, and they're on their phone, I just think that's a neat gift that people don't think to get themselves. Okay, this is my favorite nail polish. I've worn this for years. I mainly wear it on my toes because I go more neutral on my nails. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Come on, there we go. So I found this once. I think it was given to me, or I found it at a garage sale or something. I loved the color and I used it so like sparingly because I didn't want to run out. One day I ran out, I panicked. I looked on Amazon and they had it and it was super affordable. So I bought 3. So I have these like on stock. That's how much I love them, because you guys know me, I don't like buy things just to buy them. But it's a beautiful color, especially for summer on your toes. So if you're just looking for a new nail polish color, definitely try this out. I feel like this color works well on a lot of people. It's not too bright, but it has a pink kind of coral tone into it. So that is definitely one of my favorite things that I get from Amazon now. Another one, just organization in general. I feel like YouTube or Instagram, I feel like Amazon has a lot. But this is one of my favorite ones. Let me see if I can hold this up without messing it. It's a battery organizer. So we have this in our junk drawer in our kitchen, and it has made my junk drawer so organized. You guys normally throw batteries in there and then you go to find some and you don't have them, so you buy more, and then you get home and you did find them. I don't know, it just saves all that like drama of like digging and what do we have and what don't we have, or do we have enough. You can just look and automatically know. It's also got a battery tester in here, so if they're going bad, if you're like, oh, the remote's not working, I don't know if it's the battery or the remote, you can come stick the battery in here and test it to see if the battery is charged and if it's working. It does have this like clear lid on it, so nothing will spill over. Definitely a cool gift. This would be even a good guy gift, but definitely a lady that likes to organize. And I got mine on Amazon, so you can definitely check that out. Another product that kind of goes either way, gore or guy, are these brushes. Oh my gosh, I use these brushes all the time to clean different areas of my house. It comes in a 4-pack. Now, it doesn't come with the drill. Hopefully you, your husband, your boyfriend, or if you needed to buy one, you could. But you just attach these to it. This is the only way I can keep my stove clean. Even my bathtub, like my shower and my master is like all tile. And it's just hard to keep clean. It just is. So this just saves a lot of scrubbing time because you just turn it on and go to town. Plus, you just feel like a mom boss, literally, or a girl boss when you're doing that. Love these. They're in my Amazon store. To stay with the storage, these come in like a 4 or a 5-pack. I want to say a 5-pack. This was another sponsorship I did like at the very beginning of my little YouTube journey. Love, love, love these. I literally had to dump these out of my drawer and take everything out just to show you guys. Everybody loves an organized drawer. You want to open it up and have everything nice and organized and in order. It's calming, it's beautiful. It's not going to happen really unless everything fits perfectly and snug. So like one drawer, this fits perfectly across, and I keep all my leggings folded up here and all my t-shirts here. And it's a tight fit. Even if I take something out or a few things that are out and I haven't done laundry, it's still where it's supposed to be. If Chase comes in and puts my items away for some crazy reason, he knows right where it goes and where it fits into. I don't know. I feel like these are a game changer if you want your drawers to stay organized. You can organize them, but if things start sliding around, it just doesn't stay that way. These do. Like I said, it comes in this size, and it even comes with like smaller ones that I keep like socks or underwear or, you know, anything like that in, and then a few other ones like that my bras are in. Love this. Like I said, it comes in a pack, different designs. The design doesn't matter too much because you don't ever see it. Like, you may see the inside, but once it's stuck down in a drawer, you don't notice. So I absolutely love those. Another thing I get a lot lately is my wand. Now, I did buy mine from Target, but I know all of you guys don't have time to go to Target, or you have kids and it's crazy. For some reason, when I'm at Target, I forget to go into the beauty section. Maybe that's just me. I don't think wand. I wanted to get a wand for like 2 months, and every time I went into the store, I forgot. So maybe you could just order it on Amazon so it comes straight to you. And like I said, it's this exact same one. I get the best curls with it. This isn't even, this is like 2-day hair, so they're actually starting to fall out, but it's still a very pretty curl even days after you wash it and curl it. I just like added some hairspray to it, but it's a very soft and natural curl. It's not super tight, and so I love, love, love this thing. It's supposedly even healthier than like curling your hair with a straightener. So if you're wanting a new look, or you just need a new one, it was like less than 30 bucks, I think, or right around that. So it's definitely not pricey. This would be a fun gift for a daughter or just somebody. Okay, another one is my Dyson. I'm not gonna be able to get this full thing in here. So I have the Dyson Animal V6, and I get a lot of questions about where I get it and what are the attachments. So I'm going to show them to you. So obviously this stick comes off. So if I just want to add any of the attachments just to the handheld part, I can. So the first attachment is this one, and this is my floor vacuum, and this comes off. So obviously I use this one the most, so it stays on there. The other one I get is this one, which is nice for like vacuum out your car or corners or underneath things. It's nice and narrow, and it just clips in. This one's like a 2-for-1, so you can use this end, like if you're doing, you know, on your furniture or anything like that, or you can slide it up, and now it's like the bristle one for upholstered furniture or anything like that. So that's basically 2 different attachments in one. But the reason I went with the Dyson Animal was for this attachment. Now, Tiger doesn't shed, but I wanted this to vacuum like my car out with. It works really well. And so typically I'll just take off this stick and add this one. But that's it. We have the wall hanger just hanging in our laundry room, and anytime I'm finished with it, we just hang it up so that it's always charged and always ready to go, so you don't forget. Plus, that's just its home. That's where it needs to be. I'm trying to think if there's anything else you need to know about it. Oh, how long does it last? I get a lot of questions. How long does it stay charged? So this is like an older version. So it stays charged 20 minutes, which for me in my house, I can vacuum my entire house on that charge and I do fine. The like V8s, I want to say are double the time. I think they're like 40 minutes. And when I'm saying this time, that's set on max. I always leave mine on max. I've never turned it off. I guess I could maybe on like my wood floors. I'll have to try that out, but then it would last even longer. So it's 20 minutes on max, which I can do my entire house. But if your house is bigger, maybe you could use like, you know, not do it on max the entire time, or, you know, clean room by room. So like clean your bedroom, vacuum, go hang it up. Then go clean another room, and when you need it, just kind of like take it on and off would be a good thing to do. Let's see, one more thing. Oh, my phone case. I love this phone case. I always get a lot of comments about it. I searched high and low for a good one. I have the iPhone XR. I don't know if this comes in any other size. I do have it linked to my store, but it's a pretty soft, like pink blush color, and then the back is just super glittery, but it's soft, like you wouldn't know. I mean, it's got a little texture to it, so it's a little rough, but I just think it's gorgeous. I've dropped my phone a lot, and it survived. Another thing I love to buy from Amazon, we just bought another whole set, was, you can't see it, but there's a clear protectant case on this, and I've dropped my phone once and cracked it, but it just cracked the top of the screen. I peeled it off and put another one. So if you have kids or drop your phone a lot, or just human being like me, definitely get those. I'll have those linked in my store. Definitely a lifesaver when it comes to iPhones, because who wants to spend that kind of money to replace a screen on your iPhone? I'm searching, making sure I didn't forget anything. I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you found something that would be a great gift for somebody, or a great gift or just treat for yourself. Don't forget that this Sunday is Easter, so I'm not posting my cleaning video on Sunday, but it will be up Friday for you guys. And then the next week we'll be back to the normal posting schedule, which is Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.